Wow, this looks really great. Like, this just... Okay, I'm gonna try to get some more colors. Okay, here are some more colors. Okay, I'm trying to get a little bit further away from the... Alright, this wasn't the best place to film at, but I didn't really have much of a choice. But there you can see some beautiful colors in the leaves of these trees, and I'm trying to zoom in, maybe give you a closer look at them, trying to at least... Yeah, that's some beautiful... Okay, maybe this is the best possible angle I can give you. Yeah, some Finnish colors of the autumn, and yeah, and that's really part 4, and I'll try to come up with something nice for the 5th part. But yeah, that's really the 4th part, and I'm gonna end it with some beautiful water. I'll try to get you a closer look at it. Some beautiful water in there with some ferns. I suppose those are called ferns, that are in the wind. They're shaking. But yeah, that's all for this, and I'll catch up with all of you in the next Lego Harry Potter video on Sunday. And yeah, catch up with all of you then. And for now, it's bye and peace out.